hope you are fit and fine at your home. So students, on the last video we have completed our chapter number first, that is our what did Poonam see. So today we will start our new chapter. The name of our chapter number 2. The name of our chapter is the plant fairy. Now, plant fairy. First of all, what is plant? From plant, what we get? We get fruits, flowers. Exactly. So many types of plants we can see in our environment. Okay. So let's see here. First is our classification of plants. Plants are classified into following ways according to their size. It means it depends on the size, whether it is small, whether it is big, different size we can see. So first is our herb, H-E-R-B, herb. Now what is herb plants? Let's see. A plant that is small in size and has green soft stems. Now what is meaning of green soft stem? मतलब उसकी हरी हरी टहनियाँ होती, टहनी बोलते ना जो, उसे बोलते green soft stems is known as herb. Those plants, those it means जिसकी जो हरी हरी टहनियाँ होती है, soft stems होती है. For example here तुलसी. You just see तुलसी कैसी होती है, एकदम ग्रीन होता है. हम तोड़ते हैं तो with stem we are plugging it. Okay. So weed and grass. Clear? Second is our shrub. Shrub means a plant that is slightly. It means it is small, but slightly. It means थोड़ी बहुत. Slightly bigger than a herb. It means herb से थोड़ी बड़ी. Yes, but smaller than a tree. Now what is given here? Smaller than a tree. Say small. Tree is bigger, very bigger. That is tree only. Okay. So is known as shrub. For example here rose and henna. Okay. So shrub are stems are also hard stems. Okay. उसकी जो stems होते हैं थोड़े वो कैसे होते हैं? Hard होते हैं. So we can say that is also so. So let's treat first of all what is tree. Just see here tree. A plant that is large in shape and size. It means tree's shape and size is very large. Yes. Is known as tree. Now which are the trees? Let's see here. For example neem, mango and coconut, etc. Now the fourth point is our climber tree, climber plant. Okay. So climber are very weak stem, but they need what they need? They need support of other around them. It means climber plants are not stand by their own. Clear? They need to support, whether it is wall, whether it is any stick or any grill. They need the support to grow more. Okay. So for example money plant and pea plant, etc. Clear? Now the fifth one is our creeper plants. Now what is creeper plant? See here. Creepers are the plants that grow on ground. It means जो जमीन पर, ground means जमीन पर, are very weak. They are very weak. Okay. So which are they? Let's see here. Pumpkin and watermelon, etc. They are grow in ground only. They need their stems or everything is very weak. So they always grow in ground. Clear? So students, here we have learned the types of plants. Let's quickly revise. First is herb plant. Yes. Which are they? Tulsi, grass. Okay. Second is shrub plant. That is rose. Yes. Henna. Okay. Now third is our tree. So in tree, which trees we are seeing? Mango tree and neem tree. Yes. Then fourth is our climber tree. Now climber, which are they? Money plant, pea plant. Yes. And the fifth one is our creeper, which grows in ground. That is pumpkin and watermelon. Clear? So here we have learned the types of plants. Know about the germination of plant, how we get plant, big plant. Directly we cannot get the big plant. There is a long process to make the plant or to grow the plant. So today we will learn here the germination of plant. कैसे plant बनता है? What are the process? There is a long process. Let me see what are the things we need for grow plant. See here we need germination of plant. For that, first of all, we need sunlight. Yes, what we need? Sunlight. Sunlight. Then, what we need here? Air. Air. And this is here water. This much is not enough. Only these things are not enough. Main thing is to make the plant. There is one main thing is seed. What is this? Seed. Seed means SEED. Seed means beej. कोई भी plant. When we are eating fruits, any fruits you are eating. Sometimes you see like orange, apple, chiku. Okay, there is inside there one seed. Seed means बीज. उसके अंदर आप देखते होंगे कि बीज होते हैं. So what we are doing? We are throwing that seed. Okay, but through by that seed we make another fruits also. It means the same fruit will grow by that seed only. So what the process of to germinate plant? First we need seed. Then after it convert into seedling. There is an embryo. Embryo means उसका भ्रूण, उसकी जो कच्चा बोलते हैं ना शुरुआत जो होती है. सो फर्स्ट विल कम EMBROY, embryo. First is seed. Seed means bees. Then it convert into embryo. It is spelling COTYLEDON. Cotyledon. Cotyledon in हिंदी we say बीज पत्र. जब ये जो सीड है जब वो ग्रो होगा एंड देन इट कम्स आउटसाइड लिटिल बिट, देन हियर इट इज कॉटिलेडन. ग्रीन पार्ट उसका जब बाहर आएगा उसको कॉटिलेडन बोलते हैं. क्लियर? देन आफ्टर इट स्प्राउट. इट मींस देन आफ्टर लिटिल बिट देयर लीव्स कम्स, दैट इज स्प्राउट. एंड आल्सो वन मोर थिंग वी नीड, दैट इज सॉइल. यस, सॉइल वी नीड. हियर इट इज सॉइल. सॉइल इज वेरी नेसेसरी. विदाउट सॉइल वेयर विल डी द सीड? Soil is also very important part to grow the plant. So here we write, here it is soil. 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 Now, when cotyledons comes out, then it is sprout and the roots inside the ground. Okay. So this is our roots. ROOT. Root. ओके, जो उसकी जड़ें होती है वो किसके अंदर होती है? सॉइल्स के अंदर. ओके, दिस इज इनसाइड द सॉइल एंड देन आफ्टर इट बिकम्स द प्लांट. स्टूडेंट्स, वी गेट सो मैनी थिंग्स फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स. सो आवर टॉपिक इज थिंग्स वी गेट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. नाउ देयर आर सो मैनी थिंग्स वी गेट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. लेट्स सी व्हिच आर दे. द फर्स्ट इज, the main thing is, first is air. AIR. We get air, fresh air from plant. Yes. Second is we get fruits from where? From only plants. Yes. Vegetable is necessary for our body also. It gives us vitamins, proteins. Same fruits also gives us different type of fruits gives different type of vitamins and okay. So here vegetables also gives us vitamins. From where we get this vegetable? Exactly from the plant only. We get for these we get flowers. flowers. We get different type of flowers from the plant only. Okay. So we like flowers like rose, jasmine, lily. Okay. So this beautiful flowers from where we get? We get flower from plants. There is one more thing plant gives us, that is wood, and from wood we can make different type of items. We make furniture, so like sofa, table, okay, chair. Now students, when the plant grows and it becomes a tree, what it gives us? Yes, it gives us shade. Not only the human beings but also the animals. When it is very hot in summer season or in rainy season, where the animals goes, those who are roaming surrounding us, they stands near or they sit under the trees only. So trees gives us shade also. छाया देती है जिसके नीचे से हम बचते हैं धूप से और बारिश से भी. Clear? Now, which points we have learned here in this chapter right now? Yes, first is types of plants. There is 4 types we have learned, different type of plants. Okay. Now, then after we have learned germination of plant, how the plants can get germinate. What is the process of germination of plant? And third is various things we get from plant. So students, on the next part we will go to the textual part of second chapter and the parts of the plant. Till that all of you, thanks for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye everyone.